Hello everybody, I am Jonathan Elizondo and I am one of the professors at the English teaching major and also a teacher trainer at Centro de Capacitación en Educación a Distancia CECED. It's a pleasure for me to tell you that I will be sharing with you in the 5th seminar for English teaching professionals on July 23rd and 24th with a workshop called Tips and Tricks to Shorten the Distance During Online Teaching. In this workshop, we're going to be defining some concepts related to distance learning and online learning. Also outline the importance of presence and rapport during distance teaching and experience online tools that are important in this process. So once again, I really want to invite you to join our seminar July 23rd and 24th. This is called Unifying an English Teaching Community of Practice. So save the date and I'll see you there.